You can't beat this, hanging out with your best friends. Just an awesome, awesome day. So our mission is to go out to the 3-mile buoy, which is kind of right over here. And we're gonna do our normal loop. So, yep, kind of head out and see what we can see. A lot of bait in the water, so that's a really good sign. The water's warmed up to about 54, 55, which is actually a little warmer than it had been. So that's a good sign for the bait. So the whole idea out here is we're looking for bird life. I'm looking for bait, sea lions, and that's kind of what we're looking for. So we'll see what happens. Should be an exciting day. All right, so I always say that whale watching is kind of like hunting for gold. So, you know, you have those times where it takes a bit to find them. Sometimes the conditions just aren't exactly what was forecasted, which is kind of what's going on now. You can see how bumpy it is out here. It's pretty big winds. I think this is kind of like morning sickness. So a lot of times we're out here pretty early, so I think it should improve. I'm already coming up on my first probably couple whales. It took about 5 miles to find them. So we're gonna slowly kind of go. They're still about a mile ahead. So we're gonna see what happens, and hopefully we're able to see what these guys do. All right, good start to the day. Woohoo! Just saw some humpback whales. See how the birds are diving? That's cool. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. So there's definitely some food source here. There's a couple humpback whales coming right towards us. Really cool. So, oh, there goes a tail. Oh, just magical. We're just drifting here. They're coming right to us. Yeah, whales are really spatially aware. They know kind of where we're at. This is quite a big humpback right there. That's a good one. Whoa, it's right under the boat. It was literally right under my boat, and just enjoying us. Hey, buddy. Woohoo! Just hanging out. Just awesome, awesome. There's another one. Oh yeah, this is pretty magical. Yet again, you just never know. You just never know. They're just, wow, they're just all around me. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. Hi. There he goes. Woo! Yeah! Oh my God. Hi, buddy. Oh my God. Look at this animal. Oh my gosh. Where is he? 2 humpbacks bugging us. This is quite a scene. Just really, really amazing. Again, they're all converging on me. And it's just, what amazing, there they are. They are just unbelievable, unbelievable. They are everywhere. Yep, this is just unbelievable. Here he is. Hi. Look at that. Look at that animal. Just so. Yep, here he is. Woo! Ah! Oh my gosh. You know, what do you do in this situation? You really can't do anything. It's under the boat. Okay. Okay. Can't do anything. Here he comes. Yeah, kind of rubbing himself on the boat. A lot of whales out here. Just awesome. You got Whales in the background just splashing. So here he comes. Look at that, look at that. Just look at it. Let's look at it. Here he is. Just look at him. Here he comes. There he goes. Here he comes. Right under the boat. Whoa. Woo! I don't know, they seem to love this boat. Maybe it's because it's not quite as big as they are. This is only a 20-foot boat. And they seem to embrace this boat. And they're about 40 foot long. And it's just awesome. Here he is. Here he is. Hi. Hi. Look at that pectoral. He's under the boat. Whoa, hey! Oh my gosh. Oh yes, hey! Woo! Oh my gosh. Hi! Hi! Oh my gosh. Hi! Oh, oh my gosh. It's really special to have these animals hang out with you. You know, it's just like literally right there. It just, look at this. It's just so special. Just so special. They're so curious, spatially aware. Just an amazing, amazing, amazing animal to be able to spend this time out there. Literally, it came right to me. Just, you know, I always try to ask permission from the whales before I actually come out. So I do it every time. Here he comes. So it seems to kind of work for me. And I usually have pretty good experiences out here. And that's what it's really all about, is just spending time with these amazing animals and letting them kind of come to you. Good energy, and it's all about the good energy. Here he comes. He's just super curious, super curious, super curious. Here he comes. Super curious. Here he comes. Here he comes. Just right under the boat. Hi. Woo! Whoa. He's right under the boat. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Hi. 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 Know what we're doing. They know what they're doing. They're just enjoying us. Look at that pectoral. You just can't beat this. Rolling under the boat. Just amazing. He's under the boat. Hey! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a day! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, this is insane. I just love this. This is like what I live for. This is like, who would have thought? Just an amazing, amazing animal. Thank you. Just always thank the animals. Thank the humpbacks. Thank you for hanging out with me. Just best day I've had in a month. Just so amazing. Oh yeah, hey. Woo. Love it. As you can hear, my motor is off. Actually, I I turn it off most of the time, just kind of drift with the wind. If I get lucky out here. So I'm really, really respectful of the animals, try not to alter their behavior, and I just want to enjoy them. All the mugging video that you've seen is literally, I've had the motor off and they've come right to me. So that's just a testament to how curious they are.